this video, I will explain you how to create employee motivation survey through Google Spreadsheet. First, you need to click at on school fee form and then load form template. And then search employee motivation survey, click load selected template. You can check the dashboard, responses, question, and the settings. After you refresh the page, click copy form and get link. Just click continue and then go to your account. Click advance and then go to copy form. Just click allow. After you get a link like this, you just copy it and paste it into your search engine. So now the form is ready to use. You can also edit it in your Google Spreadsheet. Go to questions tab. For example, I want to add the new row and I will change the questions. For example, like I enjoy doing my job. So it will show like this. Or you can change into text box too. And for example, I change into name and delete the options. So it will show like this. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear. And you can also change the color of your form like this into pink. You can also change the text color of your form into white like this. You can edit it as you want. Thank you.